Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel, and in today's video we're going to show you a little fix that I did which saved me about £400 in buying a new headlight. So I had an issue with the headlight. I covered it in a previous video, but for those of you that hadn't seen that, basically what had happened was that the headlight had broken off the adjuster and was sagging down, and as you can see here, it was causing rubbing just there at the end of my finger, and was actually pointing at the ground, which makes it absolutely useless. Now I managed to fix this using a COVID mask and some Gorilla Glue, so let's get into how I did that. It's a bit of a random one, but it saved me an absolute fortune. So we'll pop the bonnet like so, and because I've parked in the wall, I'm going to open the bonnet this side. Now the Gorilla Glue was something I thought I'd give a go, but the COVID mask was a slightly unexpected revelation in the whole thing. So we'll remove the headlight, which is obviously done just by these two pins here, and remove the headlight, which is probably going to take two hands. So I'm going to put the phone down and join you guys in a second. Okay then, so the headlight's off now, or out, and I've unplugged it. I'm going to try and make it so it doesn't fall off. Might just place it slightly higher up on the engine bay here, so it's nice and stable. Now, yeah, like I said, it was a bit of a random fix, but as you can see, this is the string off of a COVID mask, and I'll explain more about that in a second. But if your headlight has fallen off and broken and is sitting really low, then you need to glue it like I've done here. Now what happens is this, it's going to be really difficult to show you guys, this white sort of grommet thing breaks off, and what you need to do is glue it back on. That's literally all you need to do. Now Volvo would charge you probably £400 for a new headlight unit like this. However, for just a few quid you can fix it by doing that. Now the reason I had to use the COVID mask and create a little guitar there was because Gorilla Glue doesn't exactly set straight away, and me being me, I didn't actually use Gorilla Glue, super glue. I used the standard Gorilla Glue, and anyone who's used that before knows that you have to hold the two surfaces together for as long as possible. Now, yeah, the only way to do this was to use this little bit of string from the COVID mask, and as you can see, what it's done is it's pulled this down, which rotated the headlight up and kept it in here. So yeah, that is how I managed to save £400 with some glue and a COVID mask. Now there's so many little fixes like this that you can do yourself that you'll save an absolute fortune, and this is one of the reasons I advocate fixing your own car rather than taking it to someone. Learning basic things like this, or even just being willing to give it a go. Had that not worked, realistically I would have had to spend the money anyway, but it's always worth giving a go, because now I've saved a fortune. So the headlight is now nicely aligned, as you can see. Oh, I nearly dropped you guys there. It is not sitting on the bottom of the headlight, if that makes sense. And yeah, it was mission success. But yeah, let's get this headlight back in. And this is, yeah, I know I've covered it in loads of videos before, but I love this about these Volvos. It's just how easy it is to service things like the headlights. Now you've obviously got this plug here, and little life hack, spray a bit of WD-40 on the outside here. It just helps with getting these plugs on and off, because after 12 years or so, well, this car's actually, yeah, 12 years old, they tend to get a bit sticky and a bit difficult to get off, and then you end up breaking them, like I've done on the other side, where I snapped a big chunk of the plug off. So yeah, definitely make sure you just lubricate that every now and then. But bung these pins back in, and there we go, dead easy. Now obviously, for those of you guys that have got the automatic adjusting headlights, etc., that might not be such an easy fix. But for these standard headlights, and actually the halogens as well, it's a nice easy fix. I've actually done it on this side as well. I've had the piece fail twice. Now it happens when you sort of push it too hard, or it can happen if you hit a big bump as well. So definitely bear this video in mind in future if your headlight droops, because it'll fail an MOT as well, which is an absolute faff, isn't it? Yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts. Have you ever done anything like this using glue to fix something? I always find it more satisfying to repair things rather than buy new ones. I think that's why I've ploughed so much money into this car, because it's just more satisfying and it becomes a better ownership experience. But yeah, actually this Ultra Shield Pro that I paid £11 for at the car wash seems to be doing its job. It's very, car's still staying very shiny. Got a bit of dirt, but it does seem to come off much easier. So it feels a bit like a ceramic coating, but obviously you wouldn't get that in a touchless car wash for £11. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.